Hi, this is Joanne with Broadcast Sunny. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications of new videos. This is a very simple gift that you can give to a tea lover in your house, and possibly coffee, and I will show you why in a minute. Okay, so this is felt, which is relatively inexpensive. If you wanted to use cotton, I have not done it, but I always figured if I was going to do it, it would be 2 pieces of cotton together with the interface to give it that stiffness that felt gives. So we're going to start out with 1 piece of 7.5, yep, 7.5 by 6, and then 2 pieces of 2.5 by 6, which will be the pockets. So you need extra felt. I like something contrasting that goes well. The yellow kind of pops on the blue to make a design. This one's a cupcake. I have lemon because lemon, you put lemons in tea, lemon juice. And then this is partridge in a pear tree for Christmas. You need a special kind of thread for this. This is called embroidery floss. There are different ways it comes in. And then you'll need a special needle if you don't have it already. I just spilled it all over the place. So after you get the pieces cut out, put in your design, you want to applique stitch your design onto the cloth. And the way you do that, see if you look on this side, you have a little bit here. The first 2.5 inches here will be hidden by this. But there is a, like, I'm coming out to a point here where you're going to be able to see the stitch if I go right in and out. So I practice my applique. Go down just enough that you can feel you're grabbing it. I felt the point, so I came up a little bit and came in. You can see it puckering there, but you don't see the needle. So then you pull it, and so you have it, but it didn't come through. So that's nice. And it's still on. This all is on. Just FYI, as you can see, I did not do that to these sprinkles, nor did I do it to these lines here on the cupcake cup. All right, so now you have your design on. Your pieces are cut out, your design is on. You want to take the 2 small pieces and do a blanket stitch across the edge. That is the, some people call it open square stitch, and you just do it along here. This one I like because I like the green against the blue. Anyway, and then when you finish that, you'll place it on here and then blanket stitch it all the way around. Then you're going to do right down the middle, embroidery stitch along the edge without it coming through. Can't really see it puckering. That makes it just big enough for a T, which this is less than 3 inches. This is one of the bigger ones too. If you see Lipton, it's quite small. This side, so putting this stitch in makes it snug enough that if I put sugar in there, they'll keep. But you can always use this side. I find you could put 2 in and still keep it relatively flat when you close it. And you could put sugar in here and hand sanitizer, wipes in here. But if you kept this open, which I have not done yet and have not tried, if you do, let me know. You could put in coffee stirs or coffee instant pack. I've seen the long thread. I've used them. So that is the T. I know this one has a button Same with this one, but I don't plan on putting a button on that one because I never use it. It's, yeah, nothing comes out. I think if I do keep this open, I might consider it, but nothing comes out. If you want to put one there, just get a button. These were just old buttons I had. And then get a piece of elastic. And the elastic is hooked onto the blanket stitch. You could put it in through the inside. I could have threaded it through, but I didn't. And then there you go. So don't forget to subscribe. And till next time, I hope this, like I said, it's a nice personalized gift. It's not too expensive unless you don't have the tools. It's mostly your time. And even then, felt embroidery floss is not too expensive. The needles can be, but even that, I think it's like $2 or $3. But if you need to make a bunch of these, then you're set. So, yeah. Till next time. See ya.